Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shawn Pourgol. I'm an osteopath and today I will speak to you about osteopathy job satisfaction rate in Canada. With a 98% job satisfaction rate, manual osteopaths in Canada enjoy their profession more than any other health profession in Canada, a recent survey found. I want to speak to you, in my opinion, why this is so, why manual osteopaths are so happy with their professions. I will give you a few examples that, in my opinion, I think these are the reasons why so many manual osteopaths love what they do. Number one, of course, is the income level and the financial benefits they enjoy from this profession. On average, manual incomes have a annual income of $90,000. However, a lot of them make more. I have two students who are grossing over $300,000 a year after their first year of education. I have a student, Dr. Lisa Egbuga, in downtown Toronto, who's charging $275 an hour. She has actually been chosen 2019's best number one manual osteopath in Toronto by Toronto Star newspaper. And I have many massage therapist students who double their income after becoming osteopath. Physiotherapists on average increase their income by $30,000 a year after they study osteopathy. Chiropractors, they get fully booked practices within months of offering osteopathic services in their practice. All this high income, it brings job satisfaction to manual osteopaths. Also the fact that they can offer good services and additional services is also a bonus. So in my opinion, this is one of the main reasons manual osteopaths enjoy their profession so much. Number two is the patient loyalty rate. A survey in Canada showed manual osteopaths with 97% patient loyalty rate have the highest patient loyalty rate of any health profession in Canada. They surveyed 25 health professions. The second was family physicians with 75%. It means out of 100 patients manual osteopaths see, 97 of them stay with the same manual osteopaths and they don't change it. This obviously brings a lot of happiness to the health professional, to the manual osteopath, when he or she sees that their patients remain with them and don't change them. Number three is the ability of manual osteopaths to treat chronic pain. The number one reason I gave about high income, the number two reason I gave you about patient loyalty, they all connected to this. Manual osteopaths enjoy high income, they have highest patient loyalty rate. It's all because of their ability to treat chronic pain. Manual osteopaths see last resort cases. Most of them, their clinic become fully booked quickly. The patients who have pain for years and couldn't get better elsewhere, they come see manual osteopaths and they get better. This word of mouth referral fills up most of manual osteopaths businesses quickly. I give you an example. I opened the Osteopathic Chronic Pain Clinics of Canada in 2017 from one clinic, and now in 2020 we have 329 clinics in 30 countries. Actually 2 days ago we opened a new clinic in Vancouver city in Washington, US, our first clinic there. Our rapid growth is exactly due because of the ability of our manual osteopaths who work for us in treating chronic pain. This is why manual osteopaths are so in demand and has been chosen as one of the top 25 health professions in demand in Canada, and brings them high income, patient loyalty, and so on. It is very common for manual osteopaths to have a months-long waiting list. So that was point number three. And point number four is because in Canada, manual osteopaths are not permitted to offer medical diagnosis or perform high velocity, low amplitude techniques, the fast techniques, also known as manipulation, like spinal manipulation. This makes the job of manual osteopaths very easy. They don't have to worry about if patient has cancer or some serious disorder when they see a patient, and this brings a lot of peace of mind to their mind. I practiced as a chiropractor a long time ago, and every patient that comes, when you offer a medical diagnosis, you worry if there is a cancer. I diagnosed bone fracture, cancer in some patients, and some people don't. I have known many who cannot, who don't diagnose disorder, and the patient gets worse, and so on. So this brings a lot of peace of mind to the manual osteopath, and makes them sleep well at night, knowing that they're not responsible to find us serious conditions with patients. This is amazing. Of course, they can do osteopathic diagnosis, things like finding lack of motion, hypomobility in patients, but they cannot find cancer, diabetes, or all the serious conditions. And they don't do a spinal manipulation, even though spinal manipulation is beneficial in acute cases and some other cases, but especially in cervical region, it has known to cause death and paralysis and a stroke of a number of patients worldwide. So by not doing that, it brings peace of mind to manual osteopaths. Our techniques actually in Canada are very gentle, rhythmic technique without any pain to patients, so our treatments are highly pleasurable. We don't use fast, quick techniques. Our patients really enjoy their osteopathic treatment. Any patient who have osteopathic treatment once, they become lifelong osteopathy patient because they love it. It even feels better than a massage. If you don't believe me, go get a treatment in one of our clinics, and you will find out about this. It's just an amazing profession. So these are the reasons that, in my opinion, I believe why manual osteopaths have such high job rate. We are here to serve you. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. You can find me on Facebook at facebook.com/Dr. Pourgol, Dr. Pourgol. You can email me, pourgol@pourgol.com.